time, we're going to do another boredom buster, and my sister is here to help.
Kitty bowling
With my sister Ari.
All you'll need is some paint,
Toilet paper roll,
tape and a pen,
scissors,
and paintbrushes. Let's get started. First, you're gonna turn your toilet paper roll into a shape like this. So first, you have to take your toilet paper roll and bend the ends together and squish it in the middle. So it looks like this. And it looks like ears. And if it doesn't stay like this, then you can use tape to tape it down.
the shin rest.
Once your ears are done, you can paint it.
Don't use it as a shin rest while you're painting it.
Take the colors you want and just paint the whole paper towel roll. I choose pink and gold and brown.
Let's paint. You are a genius sometimes.
You said sometimes.
All the time. How about that?
Oh, that's sweet.
Yes, because I am.
Sometimes.
This is Sleepy Cat. Sleepy Cat. That looks like my cat doing.
Our kitties are done and we're gonna let them dry. Now for this part, you're gonna need scissors and you're gonna need a toilet paper roll or a towel roll. Now all you need to do is cut a little piece off. It needs to be about this size. And now you can paint it whatever color you like. Now we're all done. Here's an old one I made. If you want to, you can take a marker and you can draw lines to make it look like yarn. Drum roll, please. Here's all of our kitties, and now we can take them bowling. Time to bowl.
Whoa, I knocked over.
Have fun making your own kitties, and if you do, use hashtag kitty bowling and share a picture down below in the comments.
And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell,
And
and
subscribe
if you liked my videos. Bye! And don't forget, follow me on social media. Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Bye!